will soon snuff out your meager resistance. You chose the wrong side, and now you will pay the resistance prisoners.
You have what I want. You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
They are needed on the bridge.
Keep the prisoners here. I will return to finish this personally.
Ah! What is that, guys?
Everybody out, let's go! Get out that cell, let's out that cell.
Let's go, guys.
Wait, you're still here? I was coming back with an attack force. Get to the escape pods now.
I'll go.
No.
What's the next game?
No, you're in the middle. Caden's in the middle. I'm a little bit scared.
Okay, take this corridor to the turbo lift, then head down to the escape pod base. Those droids are programmed to return you to Batu. Hurry and don't get caught. Lieutenant Beck will guide you.
Recruits, for your safety, stay seated with seatbelts securely fastened. Keep hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the transport and supervise your children.
Whoa.
Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Did it work? Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right. A probe droid. You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, those are the prisoners.
Your cover is blown. Find an alternate route. Who picked these two droids anyway?
There they are! Fire! Take cover, recruits! The escape pods just below us! Take the lift now! Hurry! No, not up! I said down! The Resistance will attempt to rescue the prisoners.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields!
Shields? I see no evidence.
Now!
Sound the alarm! All personnel to their stations!
Sir, the prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere to run.
Personnel, abandon ship. I repeat, abandon ship. This is shorter than...
There's no escape. You will tell me the location of the secret base, and then I will destroy you and the Resistance.
Drop. Ready? Whoa!
You guys really like
pods came in a little off target. Ground crews will meet you outside the wreck. All right, nice job, recruits. Not what you signed on for, but hey, your resistance now. I think I have.
Guys, we finally did it. And now,
I know, Scaffold's block.
I'm just so happy. I'm just so happy.
Escape pods down
I'm
in
just so
Sector 4.
happy. I just don't know what to
Verification pending
say.
from Keegan.
Lieutenant back here.
You're live.
I should hope so. Great job, recruits. Thanks to your heroism, the location of the Resistance base is secure. Bravo! Yes,
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe by hitting the bell below. We did it, guys. We finally did Rise of the Resistance.